last one. I lied. More up here, so kind of a nice mobile. Do not shut an ATV. Come on. Why not? Nice for snow plowing. Oh my goodness. Got the auger on there. Nice. Electric auger. Yep, that sucker. You live on a farm. Little plow over there. Heck yeah. Cabela's, I don't think I've ever been. Maybe I was one in Nashville, but they're expensive, but I get it. Lake Winnipeg. Hey guys, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
How's the fishing up in Winnipeg?
Oh, it's wonderful.
Is it?
It is. We got the best greenbacks.
I love fishing. I love Canada.
Have you been up to Winnipeg lately?
What?
Have you been up to Winnipeg lately?
No, I have not. I just like it's. I love Canada. Period. You guys gave us hockey, and I love the fish.
Have a great day.
Yep. Remove pet hair. Oh my goodness. Yep. I'll be right back, he says. Huh. Lake of the Woods, great lake. Riverbend Resort, you guys, nice. Huge lake, crappies big as your hands. That's a nice vehicle right there. One over there. The Defender. Suckers. That's somewhere you're living up north, you got a lot of land. You got a little pull thing in there. Black River. Nice. How much something like this go for?
$695.
Nice. 6,000?
700 bucks.
I wish. Be nice. I think it's a hell of a nice machine.
Oh, the whole machine, that's a whole different story.
What's the whole thing?
We're not selling UTV. We're selling the accessories. We're selling the rack,
Oh, okay.
the box.
Oh, I see.
the
Okay.
rack.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
All this stuff for it. My next one here works for Polaris, so
Power Lodge probably costs
50 grand. Okay.
$50. And then you have to start adding our stuff to it.
It's just money, right? It's just money. You make it to spend it. I thought the whole machine. That's what I thought. Ranger boats. Look at this bad boy. Look at that sucker. Woo-hoo. Oh my goodness. That's nice. Look at that bad boy. That sucker, as you get on the lake, that bad boy, you're cruising. Very nice. Oh yeah. It's a nice machine. I know. Unbelievable. I can see you in there. Great machine. Look at that bad boy. What's this pig go for?
We don't know. This is a guidance.
If you gotta ask, you
It
can't
must,
afford it.
well, I totally agree.
Copycat.
No, I
You got
told.
the exact same thing when I asked that question.
It's the same thing. No, it's true. If you have to ask.
It's a guided tour thing.
Oh, you're in here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Nice. No, it's so true. If you have to ask what it costs.
Well, no, you got to know how much to give.
That's
I wouldn't
right.
make it.
Right. Nice.
Oh, I'm all right. I'm not. I can stand up straight.
One hell of a. It's like a 4-wheel drive on
It's tracks.
steroids. Hell yeah. All right. Go over here.
Fished off of a pier in Sarasota,
Seminars.
or not Minnesota, Florida. Freshwater guy.
Fishing.
I fish.
Margaritaville,
Arizona
Daytona.
every year when we go down there for
Go
vacation.
fishing in Florida. Heck yeah.
Get in it to win it.
No, I'm good. No.
Where are you?
We got 4 different locations.
Two.
Daytona Beach.
I'm not going to Florida.
This is a
I'm not getting in that. Give you my address. You're gonna get junk mail from your young ass. No, now we get into sunglasses. Imagine that.
There he is. How you doing, boss? Good.
You guys got to have the hot blonde, the hot redhead or something, ginger. Got to give a guy excuse to come over there. I know a couple. They ain't cheap. Trust me. Good-looking women are not cheap. You'll get older, you understand. 30 years of just, yes, my queen. You'll learn that very quickly. Just learn that phrase and you'll be married a long time. Don't talk back or they're going to cut it off and you'll be a woman.
Yes, dear. Yes, my queen.
Yeah, you whatever. Happy wife, happy life. Just don't forget that. Make sure she's smart. Don't want dumb women.
Grateful Dead said it perfectly. That's right. The women are smarter.
All kinds of sunglasses. All kinds of glasses. Oh my goodness.
Having a good weekend?
Oh yeah. Just filming for the channel.
It's got to be nice.
Inferno USA, right?
Yeah.
Buy it online, I suppose?
Of course.
Yeah, okay.
So we specialize. Our number one is the aluminums. Then we have nylon frames.
I bought 2 pair at Vegas for my wife. It was $25 for 2 for 1. Mine broke within a week. It's like, pfft.
I mean, you do the math over the course of the year, you're going to spend that money.
Right.
So these are my high end. They start at $225.
See, I'd be afraid to lose them besides breaking them.
Everything else, you're in the 40 to 140 range.
I see. All right.
With a lifetime warranty.
All right.
Doesn't cover losing.
I understand. Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. Skull. Good. What is this place called? Stack 'em? Mm-hmm. Got all kinds of stuff here, guys. Oh, my goodness. Busy. How's it work?
So it holds 2 cans,
Okay.
2 cold cans.
All right.
So when you're finished with this one,
Yeah.
then you pop it open, drink this when you're done with that.
Okay.
Take it out, and
All
it's
right.
spring activated. So you take this one out, put this on the bottom.
Oh,
And then
okay.
you have a cold one, another cold one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and
Nice.
so it keeps it instant cold for like 6 hours.
Nice.
And you can either do 212 or 216.
Okay.
And they come in different designs, or
All
they're
right.
just the plain.
All right.
Yeah. So
Nice.
people love them for when they go campfire or go to cabin.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. So, though that's a double. These are double can ones, right?
Yes. Yeah. That would be 216 ounce.
Oh, okay.
That's nice.
Nice.
So they hold either 212 or 216 ounce.
Let's go over here. Look at these. We'll end out the video here. Get into these things over. That's what these look like. So that's kind of cool, but that's one more less thing I gotta have in the house. Let's go over here. Looks nice. Nice. Gotcha. Okay. Very nice. There's a smaller one here. TV. Got the little TV in there. See up there? Small one. It's kind of nice. Ice fishing. A little head in there. Nice. Nice. Looks like a. Looks like a pull one or something, or just a basic one.
This is It's a 6.5 by 10, so it's not really a basic one. It's just a 6.
Well, I know. It's easy. No bells and whistles.
Yeah, not a lot.
Easy to pull on the lake and put it there. That's
Pretty much.
simple. Got the heater.
Little furnace in there.
What's it? How much you going for?
This one,
Yeah.
as it sits, the outfit is 20,000.
That's not bad.
11,800.
Here's another basic one right here. Nice. It's kind of nice. This is another kind of basic one. Solid. 17,000. Oh my goodness. Oh, good. Some of these are just basic. I kind of like them. It's something different, nothing overly done. Sitting here and nice. Nothing special, as the song says. Nice. Built solid. Yeah. Ambush. Got a head in here. So anyways. So these were all, okay. Yeah, boy. The Ballable Snowman. My favorite jacket. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the little adventure. See a lot of these Yetis. So, anyways, I like some of this stuff too as well. It's kind of cool. Very nice. Very cool. Nice. Only the bottle. So anyways, guys. So I'm gonna head on out of here. Got some more stuff. We got all kinds of. Got kind of a nice one right here, a smaller one. Another basic one right over there. Anyways, guys. How's it going? How's business? I told that one guy you need a hot blonde or redhead over here to get him to come on over. You need a ginger, like 5'9". How's business? Keeping you busy today?
Oh, yeah.
All right. All right, you guys. Have a good show. All right. Little Lake Dock. Another small one right here too as well. So anyways, guys, we'll end it right here. Hope you enjoyed it. We're out of here.